Hi students, hope you are all fine. Let's begin the class. Yesterday what we are learnt, what is it and what is this. Okay, what is it? What spelling? W-H-A-T, what? Okay, it. Is, first is, I-S, is and it. What is it? What is it? It is a chalk. Okay, then next one, what is this? What is this? It's and this, it's same meaning. Okay, what is this? This is a chalk. Okay, today we are going to learn that. What is that? Okay, what? W-H-A-T, what is that? T-H-A-T, what? That. Okay, what is that? That means distance. Okay, it, this is nearby, then that, T-H-A-T, that means distance, nammala taandi. Okay va, what is that? That is a window. Okay, நம்மள்ட்டேந்து கொஞ்சம் மூவபிளாக தூரமாக இருக்கிறது எல்லாமே எப்படி சொல்லணும்? that. What is that? What is that? That is a wall clock. ஓகே, நம்மக்கிட்டேந்து distance by, ஓகேவா, கொஞ்சம் ஒரு half distance ஆர் one distance கொஞ்சம் தள்ளி தள்ளி இருக்கிற திங்ஸ் எல்லாம் எப்படி கொஸ்டின் கேட்கணும்? What is that? Okay, all of you understand? So in your textbook, page number 17 and 18. Okay, in your textbook, page number 17 and 18, today class. Okay, so take your Spark book, page number 17. Okay, now I am asking some questions. Okay, first now I am asking some questions, draw some pictures and asking some questions. What is that? That is a ball. What is that? That is a flower. Okay, take your page number 17. Okay, take your book, page number 17. Use your index finger. The first picture. Okay, the boy asking, what is that? Okay, what is that? The picture is house. Okay, you start with your answer to me. That is a house. Okay, what is that? That is a house. Okay, this picture is house. So that is a house. That, T-H-A-T, that is a house. What spelling? H-O-U-S-E, house. Okay, okay, then I move to second picture. Okay, the boy say the question, what is that? Okay, use your index finger. Then second picture, the boy say, what is that? So it's a rainbow. So that is a rainbow. So rainbowங்கிறது எங்கே இருக்கும்? ஸ்கையில் இருக்கும். ஸோ நம்ம ஹேண்டை ரைஸ் பண்ணி வாட் இஸ் தட் அப்படி தான் ஒரு கொஸ்டின் கேட்போம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு மீ ஆன்சர் தட் இஸ் எ ரெயின்போ. ஓகே, தென் தேர்ட் இமேஜ், தேர்ட் பிக்சர், யூஸ் யுவர் இண்டெக்ஸ் ஃபிங்கர். த பாய் சே, வாட் இஸ் தட்? ஓகே, வாட் இஸ் தட்? That is a baby. What is that? That is a baby. Okay, then fourth picture, the boy say question, what is that? The picture is cat. Okay, the picture is cat. So that is a cat. You have to me answer. How will you tell? That is a. Okay, start with your answer. That is a house. Okay, that is a ball. That is a flower. So what is that? I say question first. What is that? Okay, What is that? That is a ball. All of you understand? That is a ball. What is that? That is a flower. That is a flower. And what is that? That is a house. Okay, all of you understand? Then turn next page. The first picture, the boys say questions. What is that? The picture is jacket. Okay, the picture is jacket. So you have to answer. Start with your answer. The last word is that. Okay, the last word is that. So that is a jacket. Okay, that is a jacket. Then second picture, the boy say question. What is that? What is that? The picture is zebra. So start with your answer to me. That is a zebra. Okay, understand? That is a zebra. Then fourth picture, the boy say question. What is that? What is that? So இந்த பாய் என்ன பண்றாரு, தூரத்துல இருக்கிறதெல்லாம் பார்த்து தன்னோட ஹேண்டை ரைஸ் பண்ணி question கேட்குறாரு. So you have to me answer. What about tell you? That. Start with your word first. That. That is a. So any objects. Okay, any objects and things. That is a ball. That is a cat. That is a pen. That is a house. Okay, long distance இருக்கிறதுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்குமே that. Okay, so நம்ம நியர்பை இருக்கிறதுக்குலாம் it this. What is this னா இப்போ மேம் ஹேண்ட்லேயே என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கேன், சாக் வச்சுருக்கேன். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் திஸ்? திஸ் இஸ் எ சாக். ஓகே, ஸோ ஃபேன் வந்து அங்கே ரைஸ் ஆகிட்டுருக்கு. மேம் வந்து ஹேண்ட் ரைஸ் பண்ணி வாட் இஸ் தட் அப்படின்னு கொஸ்டின் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டை பார்த்து நான் மேம் கேட்குறேன். வாட் இஸ் தட்? ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு மீ ஆன்சர். That is a fan, ma'am. Okay, that is a fan, ma'am. So the last word is that. You tell your answer. Start with that is the word. Okay, THAT. That is a. Okay. Then fourth picture, the boy say question. What is that? So what picture? Van. So vanula எங்க ரோட்ல தான் போகும். So நம்ம hand raise பண்ணி தான் question கேட்போம். What is that? That is a van. Okay, that is a van. You have to answer me. That is a van. So take one rough note. Students, I write some words. First one, house. H-O-U-S-E, house. H-O-U-S-E, house. Second one, baby. B-A-B-Y, baby. Third one, cat. C-A-T, cat. Fourth one, rainbow. R-A-I-N, rainbow. B-O-W, rainbow. Fifth one, van. V-A-N, van. Okay. First one, H-O-U-S-E, house. Second one, B-A-B-Y, baby. Third one, C-A-T, cat. Okay. Fourth one, rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W, rainbow. Fifth one, V-A-N, van. Okay. Students, take your homework note and write these words for 2 times. Okay. Write 2 times for these words in your homework note. Okay. And next one, I draw 2 pictures. Okay, I draw 2 pictures and write the questions and write the answer. I draw first one picture, ball, and next picture flower. Students, the first picture ball and second picture flower. So question, what is that? What is that? That spelling THAT. Okay, ball and flower, what is that? So you have to answer to me. Write in your notebook, write in your homework notebook, for that is a ball and that is a flower. Okay, write in your homework notebook. Okay, so hope you all understand this class. I will meet in the next session. Take care. Bye.